Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new VH2000 Hydro Blast. VHT has expanded their line of Hydro Blast so you can pretty much get any size to match a vapor honing cabinet now. This machine is going to have a wiper on the exterior. You're going to get 12 to 1700 PSI out of this pump. Really depends how you have your wand set. It can be set to more of a fan or more of a jet spray, which is going to vary the pressures. You have foot pedal operation. You will need an air connection for this machine as well to get your internal drying nozzle to work. On the interior, you have two lights for maximum lighting. Obviously, this machine is powder coated white, so your light will reflect really well. You'll get maximal light out of the cabinet. This cabinet inside is the same as our VH2000 vapor honing machine. It's 40 by 40 by 40, so lots of interior workspace. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.